North American Rescue would like to introduce our T2 Individual Triage Kit that utilizes the new SALT triage system. SALT was developed as a national all-hazards mass casualty initial triage standard to be utilized on all casualties including adults, children, and special populations that may have physical or mental limitations. SALT, which stands for Sort, Assess, Life-Saving Interventions, Treatments and/or Transport, was developed by a consensus committee based on the best available science and consensus opinion. SALT incorporates aspects from all of the existing triage systems to create a single overarching guide for unifying the mass casualty triage process across the United States. The SALT guidelines were developed with funding from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention as part of the Terrorism Injuries, Information Dissemination, and Exchange Grant. The consensus committee included an expert panel of workgroup participants that included members from the American College of Emergency Physicians, the American Medical Association, the American College of Surgeons, Committee on Trauma, the National Association of Emergency Medical Technicians, the National Association of State Emergency Medical Service Officials, the National Association of EMS Physicians, and the Native American Emergency Medical Services Association. The SALT triage system utilizes a new rapid and simple-to-use flow sheet and includes the new gray-colored expectant category. This new expectant category includes those casualties who have injuries which they are unlikely to survive given the available resources and allows providers to focus on potentially survivable casualties. Once appropriate resources become available, these expectant casualties should be re-triaged as indicated. New to previous triage standards, SALT also includes the performance of life-saving interventions if indicated during the individual assessment, such as controlling major hemorrhage, opening the airway, giving 2 rescue breaths for a child, performing chest decompression, and administering auto-injector antidotes if indicated. SALT was designed to allow agencies to easily incorporate this new standardized triage system into their current MCI triage protocol through simple modification. Responders of all levels can easily be trained in its use. The SALT triage system will provide a standardized national triage system for all agencies that respond to disaster incidents and will decrease confusion when crossing agency and jurisdictional lines. The NAR T2 Individual Kit includes an innovative multi-purpose triage and treatment tag featuring versatile, easy-to-fold panels that are easily seen at mass casualty or disaster incidents. By utilizing the SALT mass casualty triage standard, this tag is designed for rapid casualty prioritization and critical treatment documentation throughout the entire triage, treatment, and transport process. The tag is supplied in a plastic sheath with a latex-free band and includes a pencil, red chemical light, and quick reference status stickers that include tourniquet, blast, and contaminated stickers. In addition, the kit provides standard barcodes to enable accurate patient tracking and is water resistant. North American Rescue is the leader in developing triage kits that will empower our users with the best equipment to provide the continuum of care needed throughout a mass casualty incident. For more information on our triage system products, visit www.narescue.com and look under our product section for triage systems.